Hello everyone, this is our session number 3 of lesson number 1. In this session we are going to learn how to open folder, how to create a file, how to rename file and folder, then how to delete or how to remove what unwanted or unnecessary files or folders. Okay, so let's see first how to open a folder. The first point is opening a folder. To open any particular folder, first we have to select that folder, then press a right click or right button of the mouse on it. Okay, when you press right click of mouse, then it will open what a context menu or pop-up menu. Then we have to select open option and click on it. When you click on open, it will open what a explorer in front of you. Okay, so these are the steps to open what any particular folder. There's one more method. It is using what the double click. Simply you have to press what left button 2 times continuously. Okay, continuously you have to press what the left button of the mouse 2 times to open any particular folder. Okay, and same methods are used to open any particular file also. So let's see how to open folder. To open any particular folder, first we have to select that folder. Now I'm going to open what student folder. So select student folder, right click on it and then click to open. When you click to open, it will open folder for you. Again, one method is that it is you have to double click on it. When you will double click on student folder or on any folder, it will open folder for you. Okay, and you will see what the files or the programs or other folders in it. So these are the steps to open any particular folder. Okay, now let's see what is next. The next one is create a file. You can create a file using right click, that means using context menu or using what the start button also. Okay, so let's see first how to create file using start button. Now we have to create a file using start button, so click to start button. Okay, and which file we have to create? We have to create Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, we have to create a document file or we have to create a Word file. Okay, so click to start button, then click to all programs. Okay, then click to Microsoft Office. It is here. We have a 2007 version, no problem. Okay, so click to Word Office button, then select Microsoft Office Word 2007 and click on it. Now when you will click on it, it will open Word Microsoft Word to you. Okay, now Word application window has opened. Okay, now you can write whatever you want or you can add any content. Okay, or you can create document. So what these are the steps to create file. Okay, I hope you all understand how to create what the Word document file. So this is using what the start menu. Okay, or using what the start button. Now let's see what is next method to create a file. If you want to create a file without using what a start button, or you want to create a file using pop-up menu or context menu, then you have to go to that place where you want to create file. Now we have to create a file in this folder, in chapter 2 folder. So right click on it, then go to new, and which file we have to create here? Microsoft Office Word document file. Then select Microsoft Office Word document file and click on it, then enter name for file. Now we have to create a file with which name? Demo. Okay, a file has created in chapter 2 folder. I hope you all understand using what the right button of the mouse, using context menu or using what the pop-up menu. This is our second method to create a file. Okay, then let's see what is next. Okay, how to save a file. A file has created using start button, then you must save. Okay, if you want to work it in future or if you want to work it after some time, okay, then you must save it. Okay, if it is created using the pop-up menu or context menu, then you not need to save. Okay, if it is created or if it is created using what the right click, or if it is created using the context menu or pop-up menu, then you not need to save it. Okay, if it is created using what the pop-up menu or context menu. But if it is created using what, the start button, then you must save it. Okay, now let's see how to save Word document file. Now we have to save this Word document file, okay, in which I written what some contents. Okay, and now we have to save this file. So let's see how to save it. You have to save this file with the school name. So go to office button, then go to save, then you have to choose any location. Now we have to save it on desktop. And with which name we have to save it? Now we have to save it with the Holiday. Okay, so type here Holiday, then click to save. Understand? So what these are the steps to save any particular file if it is created using the start button. Okay, I hope you all understand how to save Word document file, and we have to follow the same steps to save another file type. Okay, so how many different types of files are there? Recently or currently we worked with Word document file. Okay, if you want to create or if you want to work with image file, then you can create image file using Paint program. If you want to work with any spreadsheet or if you want to work with any worksheet, you can create that worksheet using Excel. If you want to create any presentation file, you can create that presentation file using PowerPoint. Or if you want to create any simple draft, or if you want to create any simple document, then you can use WordPad or you can use what, Notepad. Okay, you can choose what any application to create what different file types. Okay, so what these are the steps to save file. Okay, now let's see what is next. This after the next one is how to rename file and folder. Okay, steps are same to rename any particular file or folder. Rename means what? Change its old name with the new name, that is called rename. That means change existing name with the new name. If you want to replace what its old name with a new name, then we have to use the rename file or folder option. Okay, so let's see how to rename. To rename any particular file or folder, first we have to right click on it. Now we have to replace what, the demo with Holiday. Okay, demo, this is older name, we have to replace demo with Holiday. So right click on it, then click to rename, enter new name. Okay, you not need to click anywhere. Okay, simply you have to switch to the keyboard. Okay, now don't click anywhere. Okay, otherwise it will cancel the selection. So directly you have to switch to keyboard, then enter what school name or enter name that you want to enter for that file. Okay, or enter name with which you want to replace its old name. Okay, then press enter. Now you can see file name has been changed. Okay, understand? So what these are the steps to change what file name. Okay, now let's see how to change folder name. If you want to change folder name of any particular folder, then you have to right click on it. Okay, for that select that folder, then right click on it, then click to rename. Now enter name for folder. Now we have to replace what a student with the demo. Okay, understand? Then press enter. Now you can see a name of that folder had changed with demo. Its old name was student, now it is replaced with the demo. Okay, so what these are the steps to change what a name of file or folder. Okay, this is first method. We have another method. What is that? Using keyboard shortcut. So how to rename or how to change name of file or folder using keyboard shortcut? You have to press just F2. Before that you have to select what the file or folder, okay, of which you want to change name or of which you want to rename its name. Okay, so after selecting that file or folder, you have to press what a F2 key of the keyboard, function 2 key of the keyboard. Let's see one small example to rename a file using keyboard shortcut. Okay, and I'm going to show how to change its name using keyboard shortcut. So first you have to go to that file or folder. After selecting that file or folder, you have to press F2 key of the keyboard. Okay, press F2 key of the keyboard, then it will allow you to edit its name. Now you can see it is ready to enter or ready to change its name. Okay, now right here what a new name that you want to replace, okay, with old one or with the exist one, and you have to press enter. Now you can see already replaced with the HEMS. It is method using what a keyboard shortcut. That means in keyboard shortcut you not need to press what a right click of the mouse, or not need to follow what a multiple steps. Simply you have to press F2 after selecting that file. So what these are the steps to change what a file name. This after there's one short activity, there's one small activity that you have to complete in your computer textbook, also in computer notebook. What is that? Some empty places are given. You have to put the correct steps, okay, to finish what the steps to create what a folder. Okay, so dash click on the desktop, which click, okay, then dash menu appears, which menu will appear. This after the third step is click on dash option to create a folder, and fourth one is click on dash option. Okay, so what these are the steps to create folder. Okay, now this after what is next, this after the next one is deleting file and folder. Now let's see how to delete file and folder. Okay, delete means what? To terminate or to remove that file or folder which you don't want. Okay, understand? If you don't want any particular folder, or by mistake if that file or folder has created by user, and if you don't want, then you can delete that file or folder. Okay, so let's see how to delete any particular file or folder. Okay, so to delete any particular file or folder, we have to follow the same methods which we follow to create a new folder, or which we follow to rename what any particular file or folder. That means you have to right click on what that file or folder which you want to delete. Okay, after right click on it, you have to go to the delete option. Okay, when you click to delete, will open what a confirmation window. It will ask for you if you want to, or do you want to proceed. If you want to proceed, or you want to send it to recycle bin, then you can send it to recycle bin, or you can delete it. Okay, understand? That means when you will delete any particular file or folder, it will ask for you, are you sure you want to send it to recycle bin? Recycle bin means what? This is a place, or this is what a storage where all eliminated or deleted files are stored, okay, which are less important, and you can restore what back those files which are deleted by mistake. Okay, that means it is what a dustbin of a computer where it store what the all unnecessary or less important files or folders. Okay, now let's see practically how to delete any particular file or folder. Okay, so to delete any particular file or folder, first you have to select that file which you want to delete, or you have to select that folder which you want to delete. Now I'm going to delete what a HEMS file. Okay, you can follow, or you have to follow what the same steps, okay, which we are going to follow to delete that file or delete this file. Okay, first you have to select that file or folder. This after you have to right click on it, then click to delete. Now when you click to delete, it will ask for you, do you want to permanently delete this file, or do you want to delete this file, or do you want to send this file to recycle bin? It will ask. Now it is directly deleting this file, okay, without asking for you, do you want to send it to recycle bin? Okay, no problem, just we have to see how to delete. Okay, so it will ask for confirmation, are you sure you want to delete it? Okay, if you want to continue, click to yes. If you don't want to continue, click to no. Now I have to continue, so click to yes. Now there's no any file, okay, or HMS file is not present there. Okay, it is deleted by user. I hope you all understand how to delete particular file or folder. Now after deleting a particular file or folder, our next point is restore or restoring file and folder. If you want to restore any particular file or folder, then you can restore it from recycle bin. As I said, recycle bin is the dustbin. It store or it hold what the files which are less important, which are not necessary, okay, and which files are deleted by the user, and whenever user will delete, then these files will be held by the recycle bin. Okay, and this is the permanent space or reserve space, okay, to hold what the less important files or deleted files. Okay, now we have to restore the files which are deleted by the user by mistake. When we delete any important file or what a useful file, then if you want to work with it again, or if you want to take it back, then how to take it back, then how to take it to its what a original place, okay, or to its what a original location. If you want to take it to original place or to its what a original location, okay, from where it is deleted, then you can use what the restore option. Let's see how to restore. So before that, first we have to open the recycle bin. It is there on desktop, so right click on it, then click to open. So when you'll click to open, here you will see what the files which are deleted by user. Okay, so you have to select the file which you want to restore. And I'm going to restore what the Epson folder and the files which are present in it. Okay, it is of 503 KB and I'm going to restore it. So to restore that file, right click on it. Okay, then click to restore. When you click to restore, it will restore to its original place, okay, from where it is deleted, okay, or from which location it is removed. At this location you will see this file, okay, after restore that file or folder. So it is about what the restore file and folder. Okay, and for file also you have to follow the same steps. Here it is given, go to recycle bin, then select a file or folder that you want to restore, right click on it, and then click to restore. Okay, so these are the steps to restore any particular file or folder. I hope you all understand, okay, how to create new folder, how to create new file, how to open folder, how to rename folder, how to delete folder, and how to restore folder. Okay, so here over this session, also over this lesson, okay, you people have to solve what the below lesson exercise. Okay, so first question, it is fill in the blank. You have to take what the help of these options which are there in hint box to finish what the fill in the blanks. This after the next one, that is answer in short, then take the correct answer. This after the next one, that is state whether the statements are true or false, then answer the following questions. And at the end, let's see what is the application based questions are there. This also you have to solve. And lab activity, when school will reopen, I'll take you people in lab to finish what this lab activity, in which we have to create what the folders on desktop, and we have to create what files and subfolders in those in these folders. Okay, so here over this session, enough for today. I'll start next lesson next time.